So who is supposed to pay?
I think it's Chuka.
Don't worry, guys. I'll get the next one.
Chuka!
What?
Chuchu,
Yes, dear.
what's going on?
I'm just trying to figure out how to stop being broke all the time.
But have you started investing on InvestNaija as I told you to? The app will help you grow your money. You can save, learn about investments, and even invest in other products that suit your financial goals.
I just don't have enough money to invest.
Come, check this out. This is 100M65. By investing affordable amounts every month, you can save up to 100 million naira by the time you get to 65.
But what's the catch?
There's no catch. You just have to be consistent. And watch compound interest do what it does best. Grow your money.
How do I get it?
Download the app and sign up.
Money. Here I come.
Download InvestNaija from the App Store or visit investnaija.com. InvestNaija. Are you in?